Hi everyone. Today we will going to have a tutorial on how to use TinkerCad Simulator para mag-practice ng Arduino coding. So after you log in, just need to go into tinkercad.com and then you log in your credentials and then we need to start and create, then click the circuit, then wait lang natin. Okay. Our next step is to click natin tong components and let's go to Arduino. Then nakikita niyo itong breadboard, just click on this one, then position it on your work area. Yan. As you can see, nakaset up na siya with breadboard. Then we can go on and click on code. Then click the text. Automatically, like parang nakaset up na block yung work codes niya. So you can just go on with text and there's a warning that will appear. So just need to click continue. Then yan. Para matest natin if it's working, we need to click the start simulation. And as you can see, the light is blinking. So it does work. Next step is stop muna natin yung simulation. Then palit na natin to ng 13 kasi may gagawin tayo mamaya na kailangan natin yung output is nakaset sa pin 13. Wait, let's just change it. Okay. Wala namang mangyayari doon ay as of the moment, kahit palitan natin yon same lang din. It'll work like kanina nung hindi pa natin siya pinapalitan. So, stop simulation natin ulit. And then, let's go and add some other components. Then, close lang natin itong code muna. Then, let's go with basic. Oh no, this one. Then, lagyan natin itong resistor. Ang value ng resistor nito, if I'm not mistaken, is 1,000 ohms. Yeah, 1,000 ohms. And then, let's go and put an LED light. Like, check lang natin kung tatama siya para hindi na tayo mag-adjust later. So, yeah. Let's put it here. Then, change the color. Maybe we can use blue. Yeah. Then, lagyan natin ng wire. Connect natin to. Here. Then, palitan natin yung kulay ng wire. Maybe green. From the anode, connect natin siya directly sa pin 13 ng Arduino R3 natin. Okay. And then, check natin sa code. Yeah. And tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari pag nag-start simulation. Yeah. As you can see, nagbe-blink yung LED light. So, that's the purpose of it. And, try natin palitan yung delay. Like, let's make it 100 milliseconds. So, let's start the simulation again. And yeah, as you can see, mas mabilis na nagbe-blink yung light. So, yeah, that's the basic of Arduino. Stop simulation natin. So, yeah, that's how Arduino works. And I hope you learned something today. Thank you, everyone.